Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Check your phone has at least 20% battery and a data plan that permits tethering. Once done, open Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot. Pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed because frequency affects laptop performance. Make sure to set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password and give the hotspot a recognizable SSID so you can find it on your laptop. These steps get you ready to connect quickly and securely. Now on your laptop, open the Wi-Fi menu and select the hotspot SSID you created. Enter the password exactly because case matters. Once connected, choose a private network profile so sharing and printing work smoothly. Make sure automatic reconnect is enabled if you want the laptop to rejoin. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it briefly to verify the hotspot works, since some services can block tethering. Also, keep an eye on data usage to avoid surprises. To finish, verify the connection by loading a web page or running a speed test so you check latency and throughput. If pages won't load, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart both phone and laptop and re-enter the password. Simple restarts resolve most issues. If that fails, switch the phone band between 4 and 5 GHz, check for system updates, or reset network settings as a last resort. These steps fix persistent tethering problems and restore reliable access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.